right, guys, today we are going to make body butter out of tallow. Check this video out. It's got vitamin E in it, tallow. It also has tulsi or holy basil in it. And so that tulsi and holy basil will help with inflammation on your body. I made one with essential oils. I don't really smell the essential oils in it, but I really like how it got whipped up and creamy, and it's so nice on your skin. It's amazing. So we are starting with 1 cup of tallow, beef fat, and 1/4 cup holy basil oil. Now I will leave a link to this oil. I made this out of holy basil and olive oil myself. And so it also has that property of olive oil. You get that property of holy basil. Yep. And the holy basil is a anti-inflammatory, anti-anxiety, but it's mostly known for its anti-inflammatory. Now I have my pot filled with water in there, and then I have a metal pot just floating on top of the water, and that is how I am going to melt my tallow and the oils together, and it works fantastic. You don't want to overheat that oil and take away any of those good properties in it. That was vitamin E oil that I just put in there. And now I'm going to put this in a blender. So solid right now. But it should whip together and make a nice, it is really nice and smooth. And just with the holy basil oil in there, it has a nice smell to it. It doesn't smell off at all. But I do have set aside here some of these scented oils. We might try in like half of this. I don't want to put it in all. Try to make it a little bit frothy. And so let's put this on here. Now this actually has holy basil oil in it that is mixed with holy basil. So you can see how white it got. And what you saw me put in there, guys, is that vitamin E. That is so good for your skin. And I've been during this whole process just putting this on my hands and my arms and stuff, and it feels so good, guys. So I'm going to go get some containers, and we're going to put these in some containers. This does have a little green hue on it because of the holy basil. I will leave a link to making that video. I made some holy basil tea and oil. And again, I'm going to take half of this out here and put it in a container. And then I think I'm going to add some grapefruit. Actually, maybe some let's do, it's either peppermint or orange. I think we're gonna do orange because I think it would be nice to have that smell of orange on your body. I'm gonna use the scentless one for my face though. I really don't want anything on my face that, and I don't want to use, I forget to use hand lotion all the time, but I do use face lotion. And so I'm going to add that to my hand lotion. And just to kind of give it a try, a lot of people say that essential oils aren't that great for you, so to overuse them wouldn't be good. But I just want to try some of it in the oil. So we'll be right back with some containers to put these in. Okay guys, I got 2 little jars here. I'm going to open this up and we'll look at it all whipped up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that is so soft when you whip it up like that. It just, wow. Okay, I like it. I like it, I like it. First one, without any scent, in a jar. And then we'll put, of course my dogs like the smell of it, but they like the smell of all lotions. So, so we'll keep that one. I like the color though. It's kind of a, it got whiter as I mixed it, but I really like the color of that green tinge to it. So, and just pushing it down into my jar, and then I'll just clean off the rim and then put a lid on it. But it's very creamy and very soft, like body butter. That's what it feels like, guys. It feels like body butter. So it has that consistency. So, okay, so I have that one, and we'll wipe off the rim. So this is the one that I'll be putting on my face, and you guys can tell me the results. I do videos, so it's not like I'm hiding the results from you guys. Once I start to use it on a regular basis. So we'll put a nice little lid on that. Just have a little black lid here. And so that one I'll put in my bathroom because that will be my face oil. And then with this one, I'm gonna take the orange and just put a couple drops in here. Whoop. That's, okay. I need to get it to come down. So we just have the orange essential oil in it. This is what we're using. I don't usually use this kind of stuff. My mother-in-law had it. She suggested it, so we're gonna try it. And then I have my jar that I'm gonna put the orange in. Okay. There we go. Our 2 body butter, holy basil, vitamin E lotions. And that's it. You want to try it?
This is the one you did.
Yeah. This is the one with the orange in it. I can't smell the orange.
No, I don't either.
So I,
Well, now I smell a little orange, you know.
yeah.
Maybe it just has to absorb or something.
Yeah, and I think that you get that whiff of the tallow, and then that kind of goes away, and so maybe the orange will come through. Yeah.
Or you have to put a little bit more in, maybe.
Hmm?
A little more, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
I know it says you only need a couple drops in my thing
Yeah.
that Mary bought me, whatever it's called, diffuser. Is that what I did? I just pour it in. Otherwise I don't really smell it.
Right. All right, guys. Thank you for watching today. God bless, and we'll see you guys next time here on Hedgehog's Homespun.